Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Suzanne Chilton. I am a registered foot reflexologist and I live here in beautiful North Vancouver, BC, which is currently raining. What's new, right? Anyway, I'm starting a new series for you guys right here on IGTV, and it's called Self-Care Sunday with DIY Reflexology. So I wanted to hop on and show you guys some reflexology that you can do at home, you know, in the evening before you go to bed, or when you're stressed out, when you want to take a little self-care time, because that's what Sundays are for, right? So I want to begin this series with showing you, actually I think we're going to focus on back pain. So I have got my handy dandy little trusty, I think we'll call her Tootsie here. So she's my, she's my foot. So I want to show you guys how to help heal your back pain, reduce pain that you're feeling, and generally soothe that area of your body through your feet. So for those of you that don't know, reflexology is science-based. It's activating different reflexes on the bottom of your feet, and as you do that, you're actually sending those reflex signals back to your spinal cord and then out to the referral areas of your body. So we can get to your whole body via your feet. So back pain, this is a big one for a lot of people. So this is the foot from the bottom. You're gonna look at the side of your foot and you'll notice there is a bone that kind of runs. There are bones, but it runs along your foot like this. It curls down into the little crevice here that's beside your ankle and the bottom of your foot here. So right along there is where we're going to find our spine, and this exists on both sides of your feet, so you can work both sides. But basically this is our upper spine up here, this is our mid spine, thoracic, and our lumbar, our lower spine. So low back, mid back, and then up towards the neck. So if you're having back pain, say in your mid back or low back, which is very popular, you're going to take your thumb and massage right along that area. So I would do it a couple times. You can use cream or oil if it works for you, but basically if you find areas that are sore or have tension, just hang out in that area. You don't have to push really hard. We're basically just telling the body to release that area and to heal that area. So you don't have to be pushing super hard. We are dealing with nerve reflexes and they respond to even the lightest of pressure. So you're going to work that area. That would be for the low back. And then if you follow the bones up here, you're going to feel the ridge. This would be your mid back. So through here and then all the way up to the upper part of your spine. So this is a great thing to do. You can sit with your feet in front of you just in a cross-legged position and work on one side and then work the other side. As I said, you can use a little bit of oil or cream to help slide along there. But just feel around. It's really about getting to know your body. Feel around and, like I said, feel for any areas that are tender or seem to be more sore than others, and hang out in that area a little bit and actually bring the pressure up. Don't push harder, just actually get lighter. And by doing that, you're going to help activate the spine and help with your back pain. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that tip. Make sure you sign up for my newsletter. You can go to www.footgurureflexology.com and sign up for my newsletter there. Make sure you never miss a tip like this or a promo or a workshop that I'm doing. So hope to see you guys over there, and thanks for watching. Bye.